Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F12, and today I will show you how you can hide status in the navigation bars of the screenshots. So normally when you take a screenshot you will get the navigation bar and the notification bar. But if you want to get rid of them, you have to go for the advanced features, pick screenshots, and then select this option. Oh, I just go back. Sorry guys, that was the misclick. We have to find this option, hide status and navigation bars, and tap on the switcher to enable. And take a look right now when I'm going to take a screenshot. And when I open it, navigation bar disappears. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.